authorities has issued a civil danger warning for the following areas: Boston, Medford, and Lynnfield, Massachusetts. Until 10 p.m. on August 23, 2026. A very dangerous individual resembling Talking Ben from the mobile game by Outfit 7 has been spotted killing residents in Massachusetts. All residents that are reading this message, please seek shelter with barricaded windows and doors. Grab the needed supplies you need, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered or a hand-cranked radio to tune into the situation. If you see a humanoid dog-like figure standing at your door, do not open it. I repeat, do not open it. He will kill you immediately upon opening the door. It is also not known if Talking Angela, Talking Tom, and Talking Ginger will return. Stay tuned to media outlets for more information on this dangerous and life-threatening situation. The civil authorities has issued a civil danger warning for the following areas: Boston, Medford, and Lynnfield, Massachusetts.
I can see you. I am Ben. I will rule the United States. Angela will return. You cannot run.